Good morning, this is Hans from My Golden Future. I want to invite you to the Zoom call that we will be doing Monday, DigieBot robotic trading. And I think a lot of people believe that crypto trading is a great way to grow your assets, to create profit, and to put your money to work, to put your coins to work in the crypto space. But of course, crypto trading is not easy. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of education and a lot of equipment. And not everyone likes to have a desk like this where you're sitting behind screens watching charts, candlesticks, news, etc. to identify the best moment to buy or sell. It can be really stressful, and that's the reason that a lot of people choose other options. As you can see here, automated trading dominates in the financial markets, and I think it's the same in the crypto market, where almost 70% of the trading is done using robots, various bots that do the trading for you. And why do people choose to do that with robots? Why do they want to use robotic automated trading programs? Well, it's really simple. They have great advantages. The first one, of course, is that they have no human factor. There's no emotion involved, so they will never panic sell or they will never become too greedy. They just will base their decisions buying and selling on algorithms, on software. And for us, it's very difficult to get rid of our emotions and not get carried away by our emotions. And then there is a possibility that we buy or sell at the wrong moment, and that's not what we want. The second thing, of course, is that computers can work way faster than our brain, although I'm every time impressed by what our brain can do. But if it comes to making these calculations and looking at all the data available and based on that trying to decide if we're in an upwards trend, in a downwards trend, if it's a good time to buy, if it's a good time to sell, then of course a computer can make these calculations way faster, can use way more data to make the right decision. And the third one, which is also very important, is that the trade can take place at any time of the day, 24/7. And that, of course, is very important, because when we sleep and something is going on the markets, and it might be a good moment to start a trade or to sell and close a trade, then, well, we're asleep, so we're not able to see that. But these bots never sleep, and that's the reason that a lot of people are using this robotic software. The one that I'm using since the start of this year is DigieBot, and this is one of my blockchain factories. DigieBot to me is the ultimate Bitcoin factory, and this is because the main purpose of DigieBot is to accumulate Bitcoin as much as possible. It's for most people impossible to throw in millions of dollars, hundreds of millions, maybe even $1 billion, like people can do, Elon Musk or these big institutional investors. Normally we only have a small amount of money to buy Bitcoin, but if we put that Bitcoin to work in a robotic trading program like DigieBot, and it accumulates Bitcoin every day, every week, then we see our Bitcoin grow and we will have more and more assets. And that is what I see in my account. And why do I want to have more Bitcoin? Well, it's really simple. If you look at this, all these predictions about where the price of Bitcoin could go in the near future, this is just one of the predictions. Could it be 1 million in 2025? If I'm accumulating now, when Bitcoin is like 47 or 48,000, and it will be 1 million in 2025, then my assets will have grown a lot, and I'm looking at an amazing profit. And that's the reason why I love to work with DigieBot, why I love to use DigieBot to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. In our group, My Golden Future, and you're invited to become a member of this group, because here you find great stuff about crypto, blockchain, and the financial world. So if you want to be educated on that, want to understand what's going on and how important it is, feel free to apply for membership and we will add you to the group. This is the place where we post the announcements for our events. So as you can see, Monday, October 4th at 12 p.m. Central European Time. So in 2 days from now, we will do it. we will be doing the My Golden Future DigieBot Zoom call. And as you can see, September was a bad month for crypto. It was a really bad month this time. It's most of the years it is not a good month, but now it was really worse. But what we also see when we look at the past, and a lot of the times the last quarter is an amazing quarter for crypto. This is of course no guarantee. We don't know what will happen in October, November, December of this year. But if history repeats, and yesterday we already saw prices going up almost with double digits. So if history repeats and we will see a nice last quarter with something like a bull run, then this is a great time to start using DigieBot, especially because we have an amazing promo where we will tell all the details about this promo in the Zoom call on Monday. I would invite you to join our Zoom call Monday, October 4th, 12 p.m. Feel free to be there to listen to what DigieBot might, if DigieBot might be something for you. It's always up to you. You always have to do your own research. None of this is financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal experiences for educational purposes. I love my DigieBot account. I love how I see my assets grow, and that's what I like to share with other people. I hope you enjoy the weekend. Weekends are for fun. Weekends are for doing nice things, for relaxing and spending quality time with your dear ones, with your beloved ones. So enjoy the weekend, have a great time, and maybe we'll meet on Monday.